Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by quickly inspecting both the key and the watch stem so you know what to fix and why. You want to determine exact size and damage. This prevents forcing a wrong key and stripping gears. Once done, clean with a soft cloth and magnifier, remove debris gently, and set small tools nearby. Make sure to stabilize the watch in a padded holder. You'll be ready to engage the first corrective steps without risking more damage. You now seat and align the key to ensure proper engagement with the winding square. Start by stabilizing the watch, then carefully lower the key straight onto the stem. This alignment matters because angled force will round the square and ruin the key. Once you feel the key seat, apply a couple of gentle turns to test the engagement. If it slips, withdraw and realign. Make incremental adjustments and keep tactile feedback as your guide to prevent stripping or over-torque. You finish by addressing damage and confirming function. If teeth are bent, carefully reshape and remove burrs so the key seats cleanly. If the stem square is rounded, replace the key or install a tiny bushing to restore fit. Once repaired, wind slowly and set the time, then observe running and winding resistance over the next 24 hours to confirm success. If slipping recurs, one key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.